Hi, this is Chris Kilkenny with paperfairychris.blogspot.com, and I wanted to show you what I created with the Love This Memory notebook kit from Stampin' Up. I'll list what's included in the kit in the description below. You can also purchase this kit by visiting my online store at chrisk.stampinup.net. On the cover, I created a belly band. I think it looks like a record. That'll hold it all together. Here on this first page, you can see some of the cute holographic washi tape that's included with the kit. On this next page, the third page, I created a window by cutting out that rectangle on 2 pages and gluing a window sheet in between the 2 pages and gluing the pages together. On the sunshine page, I cut out a circle but didn't glue it down all the way, because I can use that later as a template when I decide what photo I want to put there. I can just trace around the photo with my circle if I don't have the die handy. Here you can see some more of the cute papers that are included in the kit. I created a pocket on this next page by just cutting one sheet, just the top couple inches off of the top of that page, and gluing some papers on it to create a pocket that'll hold these tags. You can put photos or journaling on these tags. This is just something that I had in my stash that I added that holds little 2x2 photos. Here's another pocket I made I like tags that slide out. You can put a photo on one side and journaling on the other side. This paper is just so cute and happy with the smiley faces. I made another window doing the same thing, and I cut a little gap between the window page and the top page that has the clouds on it. I thought I could maybe add like a list of things I like, or something on the clouds. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you liked my project. Bye-bye.